All right, so we're going to go ahead and draw blood here. And you're going to have a little poke. We draw the blood, and now I'm going to go put this in the centrifuge, and we'll spin it and come back with plasma.
So we start microneedling the skin in a couple different passes with different depths. And then once we're done with that, then we'll apply the PRP and drive that in even deeper. So the skin will get red and flush, and we'll have pinprick bleeding, which is perfectly normal. And then once we cleanse the skin after microneedling and then apply the plasma, the skin will stay red and flush, but will not be bleeding at all. So the treatment is the PRP Duo, and it's about 2 hours. The whole thing takes about 15 minutes to numb the patient. And then the microneedling takes an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. And then when you inject the plasma, it takes about 30 minutes. After we've microneedled in a section, then we prep the skin with a surgical solution to help disinfect and clean. And then we'll apply the plasma and further drive it in with the microneedling. After the blood has spun down and separated our red blood cells and our platelet-rich plasma, we're going to extract it out of the tube. So now we're applying the plasma, the PRP, under the skin and massaging it in, and then we're going to microneedle it in and drive it in even deeper. So now after we've applied the plasma under the skin, we're driving it in even deeper, so we're microneedling it further, and then we will apply more plasma on top. This treatment, the PRP Duo, is excellent for stimulating collagen and elastin, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, pores, texture of the skin, hyperpigmentation, acne. It's actually excellent for acne scarring too. So aftercare for the PRP would be the patient leaves with all of the plasma still on their skin, and ideally not wash their face or take it off for 8 hours. And then the patient can either apply moisturizer on top or wash their face at that point and use moisturizer. So we've microneedled the forehead and cleansed it, and now we're putting the plasma, the PRP, all over the patient's freshly microneedled skin. The patient will stay pink definitely the next 12 hours, and for about the next 24 hours, a little red and swollen. And then the skin molts a little bit off, so it lightly peels or flakes, but nothing too heavy. So really this treatment doesn't have very much downtime, just a couple days. PRP Duo is excellent because we're combining 2 of our treatments that we've been doing for a while into one, which is more efficient for the patient, less downtime, and more cost effective. And we've also noticed that combining the 2 treatments at once, the patient has better results with stimulating collagen and elastin, helping with fine lines and wrinkles.
Okay, so I'm going to start by injecting the plasma into Sunshine's lips. So this isn't to augment, this is just to stimulate collagen production, and it will help to create more pinkness in the lip. The plasma underneath her tear trough. Do her marionette area, a little poke. We recommend a series of 3 of the PRP Duo every 6 weeks. So once again, what we did today was we drew Sunshine's blood, we spun it in the centrifuge, Carrie microneedled her and applied plasma on top topically. And then Sunshine came to me and we did injectable plasma underneath her eyes, in her nasolabial folds, marionette, and in the lip area.